all-time favorite na talaga namang lagi kang binabalik-balikan kasi yan naman ang favorite natin gawin, diba? Eme lang. Diba? Ayan. Jollibee's Peach Mango Pie! Speaking of binabalik-balikan, let's talk about comebacks. Lala ko nung nag-aaral pa ako, I used to do commercial VTRs in between classes kasi as in pangarap ko talaga noon pala maging artista. And fun fact, but I actually never got into those VTRs. Hindi ko ba alam kung anong hindi nila nakita sa akin. Like, as far as I remember, ang ganda ko naman, talented naman ako, hindi ko lang charing. But yeah, ewan ko, no matter how much I tried, hindi lang talaga ako nakukuha. And I just remember how I always felt so insecure every time I went home. Like, iniisip ko kung ano ba yung kulang sa akin, what can I do to make myself better, to improve. I'd always pass by Jollibee after each rejection just to make myself a little happier. Anyways, fast forward to 2020, I signed my first ever contract with my network, my dream network ever since nung bata pa lang ako, which is ABS-CBN. Alam nyo, had I been impatient, I feel like things would have gone completely differently. And although nasa gitna pa ako of building my career, sobrang saya ko dahil hindi ako sumuko. At hindi susuko, no? No. And that's just one of the many setbacks that I've encountered and that I will encounter in the future. Pero diba, nasa atin naman yun kung paano tayo babangon. We should come back stronger and wiser. And diba, sometimes it's good to rekindle the past, not to remind us of the pain, but to remind us of how far we've come. So ayun, I think that's one of my greatest comebacks because I was given a shot at pursuing my dreams. Oh, ngayon nakwento ko na ang isa sa mga greatest comebacks ko. I believe that I deserve a peach mango pie. Kainan na natin to. Kanina pa ako natatakam. Listen. Yes. Yes. Nakita niyo yun? Para sa akin, I think it has more chunkier filling as compared to their previous formulation. And I think it's because of their fruit bits. Ayan no, kita nyo. Ang sarap. So, na-mention ko ba that the price rolled back from 45 pesos to 40 pesos? For me, chunkier na nga, mas affordable pa, plus more fruit bits pa. Ano yan? Okay, so ubusin ko na to because honestly, di ako nang-joke. Tatlong in-order ko. Tatlo yan. So guys, we'd love to hear Jolly has come back and let's all celebrate that with the peach mango pie. Yeah, it always takes me back to like my birth, my childhood. Sarap.